Okay, so we're going to be looking at is and equals. So if we say A equals, and that's the list with 1, 2, 3 in it, and then we'll do the same. B equals 1, 2, 3. And then if we say A equals B, what do you think that'll give us? True or false? True. So then if we say A is B, true or false? False. Right. That is the difference, because what it's actually doing is if we do A dot we'll see the memory address of A. We do B. They're stored at different memory addresses, so they're different objects. And this is quite important when you are trying to check for a true or false condition. And I think that is about it for today. So really this is quite important, but quite short. So just to keep the algos happy, don't forget, give it a thumbs up and all that. And yeah, we'll see you soon. So is and double equals. Is has to be the same object. So just to wrap up, if I said A equals B, now if I do it, we will say A is B. This will be true because we've set A to be equal to B. So it's actually pointing at the same memory address. So if we do B repr and A repr, they're both pointing at the same memory address. You see here, first time we ran it, A was at, so I'm pointing at the screen, A was at 80, B was at C0. Now they're both A and B are both pointing at C0, C0 even. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Thumbs up, subscribe and all that. Thanks, bye.